Hello viewers, welcome back to Help OCI. If you have money in your NRO account and want to move it to your NRE account, you might be wondering, can you actually do it and what is the process? Let's break it down step by step. First, let's understand whether this transfer is actually allowed. Yes, NRIs can transfer funds from an NRO account to an NRE account. However, the transfer is subject to applicable taxes and RBI rules, with the overall facility generally capped at $1 million per financial year. So, how do you actually initiate the transfer? Let's look at the process. First, make sure the applicable tax on your NRO income has been properly accounted for. Also, keep proof showing where the money came from, such as rent, interest, dividends, or an asset sale. Once your tax and source of funds records are clear, the next step is the required tax documentation. For transfers made from the 1st of April 2026, the Income Tax Department has introduced Forms 145 and 146, replacing the earlier Forms 15CA and 15CB. Whether a CA certificate is required depends on the nature and amount of the transaction. Once the required tax forms are ready, you can submit your transfer request to the bank. Submit your transfer request to your authorized bank along with the required tax forms, source of funds proof, and KYC documents. Your bank will then verify the information before processing the transfer. Now, what exactly should you keep ready? Let's go through the important documents. Typically, you should keep your PAN, passport, NRO account statement, proof of the source of funds, transfer declaration, and applicable tax forms ready. Your bank may ask for additional documents depending on the transaction, but documents aren't the only thing NRIs need to watch. There are a few important rules that can prevent delays. Here are the important points to remember. The $1 million limit applies per financial year. Keep a clear record of where your NRO funds came from, make sure your tax compliance is in order, and provide accurate information to the bank. Missing or inconsistent documents can delay the transfer. So, once everything is verified, what happens next? After verification, the bank processes the transfer and credits the approved amount to your NRE account. The exact processing time can vary depending on the bank and documentation. So, transferring funds from NRO to NRE is possible, but it's important to follow the tax and FEMA requirements correctly. If you found this guide useful, follow Help OCI for more practical NRI banking and financial guides. If you need any help for your NRI banking needs, Help OCI is here for you. Whether you're facing trouble transferring funds, understanding documentation, or dealing with another NRI banking process, visit helpoc.com. Our experts can guide you through the process and help you understand what you need to do.